install the software that is used to capture everything that is happening in your screen. Yeah, it's called Movavi Screen Capture Pro 10.0.2. Yeah, for that being said, let me get to your computer and then we start the process. Okay, yeah, I hope you're gonna like it. If you like a lot of screen recording and making tutorials and making videos like I'm doing, please, I recommend you go for this software. I like it, so give it a try. If you like it, go ahead and purchase it or buy it. Yeah, but that being said, let's get started. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna go to the official website, then I'm gonna click here on screen recording, then I'm gonna go to Screen Capture Pro. I'm gonna click there. Yeah, or you can click on try free. Yeah, for Windows users, yeah, if you use Mac, you can click on the down link. Yeah, I'm gonna put the link in the video description so that you can go ahead and download the software for trial version for 7 days, I think. Yeah, then from there, if you like this software, you can go ahead and purchase it. Okay, by clicking on that thing. Yeah, let's take a tour on how it's the features it has got. It has so many features. You're gonna like it, right? Yeah, you can check it. Yeah, you can capture the screen, you can do whatever is happening on your computer. Yeah, so for tutorial makers, students, or people wanna communicate or share their knowledge to the world, welcome to the amazing software for screen recording. Here you can see the interface. Amazing. Yeah, so let me, because I don't know guys, about your budget, so let me show you how the price. If you like it, you're gonna like it. Okay, so you're gonna see it's 10.0.2 version. Yeah, 4 MBs. Then yeah, you can get it under $50. Okay, yeah, as you can see, check this now. Those are the requirements of your system. Yeah, and computers of these days, yeah, the requirement, they meet them. Okay, most of your computers can do it. By the way, I use a laptop. It works very well with no freezing. So I'm gonna click there on the screen record. As you can see, now it's already downloaded. You're gonna click there and show you further. Yeah, so that's the software or the setup. Right click on it. It's amazing. Then you can run it as an administrator, or you can click on open, yeah, to start the installation process. Yeah, I'm gonna minimize this. Okay, minimize this. Then yeah, you're gonna see the new window that's gonna pop up like that. Yeah, now the installation process has started guys. As you can see, yeah, this software is available from different languages. Click on the right, then you can check different languages to choose from. Choose the one you like or you're comfortable with. Then check that for the agreement, then click on install button. So I'm not gonna do that because I already installed the software, so I'm gonna cancel it or click on close like that. Yeah, let me show you the software. I've already installed the program. Yeah, it's gonna take you to the website, so close everything like that, then right click on the program, then run it up. Subscribe to our channel. Take care. Thanks so much.